Have you ever filmed with other YouTubers? Maybe you film an event, maybe a carnival in the city or something like that happening, and then you all post the same videos, the same event, but then other people's videos get hundreds of thousands of views and yours get less than 100 views or very minimal views, and then wonder what's happening, what are you doing wrong, why are they getting so much views and you're not? That's something that we all go through at some point as YouTubers. And today I just want to talk about that a little bit. Stop comparing yourself with other YouTubers. That can be damaging to yourself, and that's the point of this video. Big Japa, I've been in the YouTube game for a bit, and I know a few things that I can share with young YouTubers, up and coming YouTubers, and also wanna-be YouTubers. You're welcome to my channel. I'm doing a series of talking about how I can help from the knowledge that I have. So going ahead about this subject, comparing yourself with big YouTubers is a no-no. You can look at their channels, learn from them, see how they do their titles, see how they design their thumbnails, see how they grew, learn from their old videos, how did they start, at what point did they blow up and things like that. Copy their style if you can, but put your twist on it. But the worst thing you can do is compare yourself with them, because that is gonna damage your morale and you'll probably quit doing YouTube. You understand? So it doesn't matter whether yours is not getting views. Just keep on posting, keep on learning, keep on growing. Keep on growing. The reason theirs is probably getting a lot of views is maybe number one, they're very established channels. They got big audiences who already understand their brand.